Hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube full vlog. Now let's start making on how to make the easy milky pastillas in 3 ingredients. For the ingredients, we need 1 can of condensed milk or 400 grams of condensed milk, 2 and 1/2 cup of powdered milk, and for the last, we need 1/4 cup of white sugar. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy milky pastillas. For the first step, place the condensed milk in a large mixing bowl. Then put the half of the powdered milk, then gradually fold in the powdered milk to the condensed milk. Then add the remaining powdered milk and mix it well. The texture of the mixture should be similar to a dough. You can use your hands to easily fold in the powdered milk. Just make it sure to wash your hands before and after handling foods. Then scoop a small amount of a mixture, then mold it in a round shape. Then roll it or cover it by the sugar, then place it in a baking pan or in a plate. Then do the same procedure to the remaining pastillas mixture. You can make 40 to 50 pieces of pastillas. Now set aside. Now let's proceed to the next step on how to make a graham balls. For the ingredients, we need 2 to 3 packs of graham cracker, 1 can of condensed milk, and for the last, we need 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. Now let's proceed to the procedure on how to make the easy graham balls. For the first step, remove all the graham cracker from its pack and place in a Ziploc plastic. Then use a rolling pin or a bottle of ketchup to crush all the graham cracker. When all the graham cracker is already crushed, Place in a bowl and set aside. In this video, we need 5 cups of crushed graham. Then add the condensed milk. Now add the heavy cream, mix it well until it molds into a dough. We need 1/4 cup of a crushed graham, then place a baking pan. Now wash your hands properly. After washing your hands, get a small amount of graham mixture, mold it in a round shape. Now roll it and cover it by the crushed graham, then place in a baking pan. Now do the same procedure to the remaining graham mixture. Get a small amount, mold it in a round shape, roll it and cover by the crushed graham and transfer in a baking pan. You can make 20 to 30 pieces of it, depends on the size of the graham balls you want. You can make 30 to 40 pieces of graham balls. For the next step, slowly press the middle of the graham ball, then add the milky pastillas, then cover the pastillas by the graham balls. Now do the same procedure until all the pastillas will be covered by the graham balls. For the next step, we need 1 cup of chocolate chips or cooking chocolate and add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil. Then put in the microwave for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes inside the microwave, use a spoon to mix the chocolate until all the chocolate melts. Now use a toothpick, put in the middle of the graham pastillas balls, then dip it and cover it by the melted chocolates. And place it in a baking pan or a plate with a wax paper or a baking paper. Now do the same procedure until all the graham pastillas balls covered by the melted chocolates. Now put in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And now, this is our Choco Graham Pastillas balls. Serve it with a smile and enjoy eating with your family and with your friends. If you want more videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, share these videos, and hit the bell button for you to be notified by the YouTube for our upcoming videos here in our Dave and Val Baba Food Blog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and God bless. Love, love, love!